Hey YouTube. Right now I'm in the process of braiding my hair. My plan is to braid the front, and then I think I'm just going to rock my afro. And what I do like about this style is, as I'm braiding it, really, I could do something unique with this side. If I wanted to in the future, just braid this side and kind of pick my fro out and rock it like that, throw a flower right here. I could just braid the front and do a twist out, do finger coils, or braid out in the back. You could just play with this style and do, different things. But for now, I'm just going to rock the afro in the back, and then I'm going to keep braiding. What I did before this is I just conditioned my hair, and then of course it was curly when I got out of the shower, but I just picked it out for now just to kind of give me a guidance as I'm braiding, just to see, how the fro is going to look. Okay. Okay, I'm going to finish the other part, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay, so I'm done with the braids, and I don't really like the fro look part on this particular, I don't know, I'm just kind of not feeling this, like this, I even tried to put a flower right there. It's cute, but I would rather do the band. Oh, and I know it looks like I'm naked from the bottom down, but I'm not naked. Okay, so I'm going to put the band down over my head. And I would prefer rocking the puff. Yeah, I prefer rocking the puff. So this is the finished product, and a flower could be added to this. I like this better, actually, much better. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling that fro, or the full fro. I still have a fro, I just kind of turned it into a puff. So, thank you for watching, and this is day 1 of me wearing these braids. I want to try to make these braids last as long as I can and do different styles with the part of my hair that's out. So, stay posted. Thanks for watching. Bye.